Thank you, Jiwan, for here. Everybody, morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, morning class. Okay, this one, before we proceed, because I see not many students enter yet, okay? So I try to discuss the questions I asked you all to do. But yesterday, the two questions are the class K. This is the one I already marked. Who haven't do? Aliyah, I think Aliyah, the first one you haven't picked. Okay, Aliyah, I pick Aliyah example, okay? So this is Aliyah one. Okay, Aliyah. So you have to see what's your mistake. Okay, so ask us to find the probability, okay, for getting the P prime. Okay, this is P prime means the complement, okay, complement of this event. Okay, the P is what? The P is the event of choosing a prime number. So if a dice is tossed, okay, means a dice, the possible outcome when a die is tossed is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? This is correct. This is our sample space. Okay. So the event P is choosing prime number. From 1 to 6, which one is a prime number? So this is correct also, 2, 3, 5. Right? Okay. So which one is not a prime number in the sample space from 1 to 6? That is 1 or 6. So I have to put a comma to separate all the numbers. So total sample space, you remember to get our probability. Okay, any lah. If you use A here, then A is the event number. Since this is using P, so you have to get the P right. To get the P prime. Okay, P prime is this one. How many? 1, 2, 3. So 3. Over the sample space is 6. So which 1 or 2? Okay, which is correct. Okay, this is only to recall back. Okay, what you have learned yesterday. Okay. So Aliyah, you see where's your mistake? You have to write. So I deduct your mark. So you get 2 out of 3. Okay. So another questions. Okay, this one. Okay, so another question is get the vowel. Know what is vowel or not? From sekolah. Which one is a vowel? So this one I remark already correct, right? Come. Lara, is it? Who is it? The one to sound? Respond. Okay, come Lara. Vowel, you know what's a vowel or not? Respond, Lara. Just join, is it? Okay. So vowel is EOA, right? This is correct, Aliyah. Okay, then which one is not vowel? The SKLN, which is not vowel. Okay, so now that is asked you to B prime, which is not getting a vowel. Okay, so which is 4. So how many of them? Aliyah, can you give me the answer? Since you are not finishing yet. Aliyah, berapa per berapa? You boleh type dekat ruangan chat juga. You can type in the chat if you cannot turn on the mic. 4. Okay, 4 over what? What is the number of sample space? Sekolah tu ada berapa elemen? Berapa huruf? Don't forget when we get our probability and A over NS. Okay, number of the elements of the event A over the number of the sample space, right? Okay. So what is the A? Is this one you mentioned about 4. Okay, so 4 over 7. Right. 4/7. Okay. If I don't want to find the V vowel, actually you can get another one. Kalau you tak tunjukkan ini, kamu buatkan V sahaja, iaitu vowel. Okay, EOA kan. So 3. So untuk dapatkan P V prime, you can use 1 minus PV. This is another way, which is alternative method. 1 minus 3 over 7, which is 4 over 7. Okay, sama juga. Kamu akan dapat jawapan yang sama. Okay, sama ada kamu terus nyatakan, you list out the letters which is not vowel over the number of the sample space, or you use this one. Mana-mana satu. So, Aliyah boleh buat? Okay ke? Dah faham lah? Is that alright, Aliyah? Okay, good. So, yang lain tu macam mana? Yang semalam tak sempat nak buat tu? Cikgu ada yang suruh, okay, yang semalam sempat buat tu Kesha, Ifra, Iza. Ifra okay dia, can understand Iza, Pavitra, Pearly also your second question is not yet do. Okay, this empty here. Okay, Rahana also same thing. Also, you see, 4 over 7 is not 3 over 7. I show your mistake ya. Malam cikgu dah share dalam WhatsApp juga, tapi ada yang semua I tak nampak ada yang buat. Okay, ini pun sama. Kita guna P ya, probability. Tewa in or not? Tewa tak ada lagi kan? Tewa tak ada. Ada. Tewa. See where's your mistake ya? Tewa, right? Tewa, please respond. Yeah, not? Tewa ada tak Tewa? You can type in the chat. Okay see your mistake So it's probability use a P we use the alphabet capital P to denote the probability. Okay, so today we'll continue on the last part of the probability which is a solving problem. Okay, let me find my slide first. Where's my slide? Okay, now I can see my slide. Okay, that's right. Okay, so this is our what we have to learn today, which is solving problem, which is the last part of the chapter 13. So next week when I come back to school and face-to-face class, then I will start on the transformations. Okay. So if this is the questions, okay, what is the complementary event of getting a number that is between 1 and 5 when a die is thrown? Okay, apabila satu dadu dilambungkan, okay, dia punya event, let's say at this event I give it by 8. Okay, so apakah dia punya wrong sample? As first, wrong sample. Type it out. What is the wrong sample when a dice is thrown? What is the sample space when a die is thrown? Apabila lambungkan satu dadu, apakah dia punya wrong sample? Type it out. Yes, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is your sample space. Okay, then when the event A, the event is getting a number between 1 and 5. So what is the answer? Between 1 and 5. Okay, nombor yang di antara 1 dengan 5. Between, is it 1 and 5 counted? Adakah 1 dengan 5 termasuk ataupun dikira kalau di antara? Means that like this one. Is that counted? 1 and 5? This one you have to be careful when you see the words between, when there's no mention equal or what. So actually 1 and 5 tak dikira. So apakah dia punya sample space for A? Yes, Kesha. Okay. 2, 3, 4 sahaja. 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2, 3, and 4 is your event. Okay. So now they want complementary of this. Means that your A prime. So what's your A prime? Apakah A prime? Okay. Means that number that not in 2, 3, 4 lah. Nombor selain daripada 2, 3, 4 itu adalah complement event. Yes, which is 1, 5, 6. Good. Okay. So when you can give me the answer, please that you already understand what is complement event. Okay, this is actually what we covered yesterday. Okay, pelengkap set pelengkap. Okay, complement. Okay, so this today we'll continue on solving problems. Okay, solve problem involving the probability of an event. Means that overall not only complement, they have to use the formula to determine the probability. Okay, then the complement event. When given situations, you know how to write out the probability. Okay. So global concept, the relationship, the overall semua event, the sample space, complement of event, and the universal set. Merangkumi semua yang kamu dah belajar dalam tajuk probability. Okay. So let's see the first example. So this one, before we go to the solving problem, we flashback masih lagi complementary. So see or can do or not. The probability of Beatrice. Beatrice sudah masuk ke belum? Okay, saja letak nama Beatrice. Okay, nama yang kamu tahu dalam kelas anda. Okay, the probability of Beatrice celebrating her 14th birthday with her friend is 7/11. Find the probability that Beatrice is not celebrating her 14th birthday with her friends. So what is the answer? Okay, but this question doesn't mention is complement, but the keyword is C, not celebrating. Right now. Okay, so not celebrating means that it's complement. Tak semestinya kamu nampak perkataan complement event. So can be other. So what is the answer? Anybody know? Okay, good. Yes. Okay, someone, the rest? So remember, because yesterday we learned the relationship between the A and the A prime. Means that the relationship between the set A and the complement of set A, right? So the formula is the P A plus the P A prime is equal to 1, right? So if want to get the A prime, means that the lengkap, kita satu tolak PA. Right now, that's how you get the 4/11. The rest okay or not? Beside Jingwen, Pavitra, Steffi, and Kesha. How about Nasrin, Pearly, Ifra? Yang lain tu okay, Alia. Okay, Shadia okay ke? Pearly okay? I have to call one by one. Who respond? Teresa okay? Lara, how about you? Iza should be okay, right? Iza yesterday finished do, should be no problem. Dania okay, Dania? Yang sempat bangun yang tak sempat bangun tu tak tahulah. Okay, so that's why I have to do the recording later. Tomorrow I will share both recording lah, especially for those that absent for both classes, because next week we're going to a new topic already. So good. So the way do you do it is, okay, so as the way you write, maybe if write in the proper way, not celebrating birthday, maybe we can use A. Okay, celebrating birthday. Okay, so why we use the letter? So that actually easy for us to, how to say, use the letter to represent the probability. Okay, celebrating birthday. So A prime is not celebrating birthday lah. Okay, if you don't write this also okay, but you have to write one of it. Okay, salah satu kena tulis. Okay. So to get the P A prime, 1 minus P A. So 1 minus 7/11. So it's a 4/11. Okay, this is how you write out the answer. Okay, during the exam lah, unless this is a objective questions. Kalau objektif, kamu tak perlu tulis lah. Kalau kamu dah kira dah boleh tu, okay lah. Okay, so ini boleh semua boleh faham dah macam mana dapat 4/11. Okay, so another example. Okay, 2 fair dice are thrown simultaneously. If one dice thrown, you have 6 possible outcome, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If 2, find the probability that the complement of the event that the number shown by 2 dice are the same. How to do this? If there is 1 dice, there is 6 possible outcome, right? Okay, now when they have 2 dice thrown, so what is the sample space? Total of the sample space. 12. You think it's 12? Okay, how about the rest? Beside Pavitra, answer? Is it 12? 1 to 12. Okay, you think of the way like this. Okay, if you have thrown both types as dua dadu. You both thrown the dice at the same time. Is it possible they will throw the first dice, you get 1, you're getting the number 1. And you throw the another one, you're also getting 1. So it's 1, 1. Is it possible? 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Right? So how is the total possible? You have 6 number, 6 number. So what is the total possible outcome that you can get? Okay, so total, the sample space, what do you think? It's not 12. It's more than that actually. If you cannot see, you have to list out one by one. Like you see, 1, 1, can be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then can be 2, 1, 2, 2, right? 2, 3, 2, 4. Then you are going to be list out one by one. There is quite a lot, Okay, means actually you have 6 possible, 6 possible. You have to multiply it. Actually, total of the sample space is 36. 6 kali 6. Okay, sebab yang pertama dice, the first dice, you have 6 possible outcome. Another one also 6. Okay, so 6 times 6 is 36. You cannot see like that. You have to like teacher lah, do lah. 2, 5, then 2, 6. If you are not believe on that, okay. So then you have another one. You have to do one by one until you have 6, 6. So you have like this: 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, and 6, 1. Then continue lah. 3, 2, and so on until this is 3, 6. This is 4, 6 here. 5, 6. This is 6, 6. Can see or not? If you count one by one, actually that is your number of sample space is 36. Jumlah semua punya possible outcome ada because these two pair dice. Dua. Okay? So now the probability is the complement of the event that number shown by the two dice are the same. Probability of the complement of the event that. So which one from here, the 36 possible outcome? How many of the event which is the same number? Same number, macam contohnya 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. Sama lah. Dan here we've got 3, 3. Another here 4, 4. Here 5, 5. Then 6, 6. So 1, 2, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, Jingwen. Okay. So your NA is 6. Now they want complement of this. So how many of them? So if this PA means that 6 over 36, right? Okay, is this the simplest form? Adakah ni bentuk termudah? Answer is 106, huh? Yes. So, complement of this, to get the complement of this, is 1 minus 1 over 6. Yes, it's 5 over 6. Hey, why 4 over 6, Pavitra? Okay, yes. Okay, salah tak ke? 5 over 6. Okay. So, yang lain tu faham ke macam mana dapat ini? Okay, if you don't know how many total of the sample space, okay, so you can do in this way lah, by list out one by one, listing method. Okay, list out setiap satu, kira semua jumlah. So ini dikata, this one they said they want to show two dice are the same. Dua dadu pun memberikan nombor yang sama. Okay, nombor yang sama. So this one lah, sama 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 per 36 is the number, is the event that number shown by the two dice are the same. So the complement, which is not the same lah, both numbers not the same. So it's 1 minus 1 over 6, which is 5 over 6. Okay, so actually this kind of questions also can consider solving problems lah. Okay, but this or any emphasize on the complement of the event. Okay, because this is macam mana kamu menyelesaikan masalah juga. Tapi masalah ni melibatkan macam mana untuk mencari dia punya pelengkap, set pelengkap. Okay, can I proceed to the next example? Boleh ke tak boleh semua? Atau masih lagi bangun tidur ke macam mana? Can okay, good. No response from Pearlie, Tresan, Nasreen, the rest? How about the rest? Okay. Ifra? Okay, Ifra will respond. Okay, well, can Okay, so actually now only we go to the example from the textbook. The textbook will give one example ni. Dalam buku teks satu soalan saja. So this is the one, a shirt manufacturer, okay, managed to produce 80 pieces, 80 helai shirts in 1 month. He sell 15 pieces of shirt in 1 week. Then profit selling 15 pieces of shirt is RM 135. The A part A asks you to find the probability of the shirt sold in 1 month. 1 month total is 680. Okay, produce. Produce means this is the sample space or this is the event or what? Produce, menghasilkan. So you have to find the keyword. Produce in 1 month. Sell in this one in 1 week. Then profit, this is a profit. So in 1 month, how many pieces already sold? Berapa helai? This is produce, bukan jual, produce, maknanya mengeluarkan ataupun dia membuat, menghasilkan 80 helai. So kalau jual 15 satu minggu. So 1 bulan berapa helai? Yes, Cingwan, 15 kali 4. Okay, how to get that because the 1 week is 15 pieces. So 1 month we have 4 weeks, right? So 15 times 4, which is 60. So then we have to find the probability of the shirt sold in 1 month. Actually, this is your sample space. 80 adalah jumlah rang sampel anda. So, 1 bulan kamu dah menjual 60. You sold 60. So, what is the probability? What's the probability? P. Okay. Okay, so maybe you can use event A. Give a letter lah. A is equal to number of shirt sold. Shirt sold in a month. Okay. Then you can use the PA is equal to 15 times 4 over 80. So what's the answer? Give me the simplest form. This is 60 over 80, right? Okay, good. Static 304. So already settled for the part A questions. Yang lain tu faham tak? The rest can understand not? Yes or cannot? I'll change my... Oh, okay. Only notice my background. I don't change here. Okay lah, do this one. Okay, how is it? What's the answer? Is that the answer? 3 over 4? Satisfied with it? Yeah. Okay, so this is 3 over 4. Okay. So the part B. Part B, they want to get the profit obtained by 2 months. Okay. So you see, 15 pieces, you got 135. Right? Okay. So in 1 month, there's just, how many pieces just now? The probability is 3 over 4, right? Just now. This one. 3 per 4. 3 per 4 adalah 1 bulan. Sekarang nak 2 bulan. So kali 2 lah, right? Then the problem is you have to get the number of shirts sold in the 2 months. So 304, they had a number of shirts. So in 2 months. So 1 bulan dia punya probability ada 3 per 4. So 3 per 4 kali, kenapa kali 2? Sebab ada 2 bulan. Okay. Then kena darab lagi berapa? Jumlah. Jumlah produce. Okay, hasil. Hasilkan. Ini bukan pulang tapi jumlah baju yang dihasilkan. Okay. So you multiply by 80. Then you can cut here to this one 40, 120. If you don't cut here, never mind. You have calculator, right? Kamu ada calculator. Okay, just type your use your calculator untuk keyword. So supposed to have 120 pieces. Sepatutnya dalam 2 bulan kamu akan menjual. Bukan menghasilkan tapi menjual. 80 dihasilkan dalam sebulan 80. Dan kita nak cari bilangan yang dijual untuk 2 bulan. For 2 months. So we get the answer is 120. Is that right? Boleh ke tak boleh kelas? Boleh ke? Macam mana dapat 120? Can? Okay. So adakah ini jawapan? Or we have to proceed? What's the question? Dia nak keuntungan. They want the profit. So profit of selling 15 pieces is RM135. Right? 15 helai, dia punya profit 135. So 1 helai profit berapa? How to get one profit for 1 piece? Anybody can tell me what is the profit to sell 1 piece of the baju? The shirt? 135 divided by 5. Yes, RM9. Okay, so you can do it this way or you can another way lah. But normally we do it this way lah. So profit, maybe you can say profit of selling 1 piece of shirt is equal to 135 divided by 15, which is RM9. So profit obtained 2 months. Okay, in 2 months will be what? RM9 times what? See? RM18? 18 or 9? I didn't use calculator, you all count for me. RM9, right? Let's be correct, like RM9. Okay? So RM9 times how many? The total is now 120. Darab 120. So jumlah berapa? Okay. Right, 9 times 120. 9 kali, okay, RM 1080. Okay, should be correct lah. Okay, so this is how we do it. In the textbook, they put the total profit. They use actually sama. Dalam buku teks, they put the total profit is 120 over 15 times RM 135. Same like this one. Okay, for this one, I show you how to get one piece first. Okay, get one piece. This one actually same thing. Sama. But this one, they do it together. This one I split. Okay, cikgu pisahkan supaya kamu faham macam mana dapat dia punya jawapan ini. I worried that some of the students they cannot remember, cannot know, cannot identify. Why suddenly 120 over 15 times 135? Okay, actually this one is how to get one piece, the profit for one piece. Then our total piece is 120, right? So we multiply, then we get the answer. Okay, so like this one, it's easier for you all to understand, right? Better than this one, right? Not? So next one. C. Find the probability of the shirt not sold in 1 month. Okay. If this says, so what's this? How to do? Just now is PA, right? Also PA. Our PA is 304. Right? Not so means that the complement. So what is the complement? PA prime. Just now our PA is 304. So what's a PA prime? Yes, 1 minus 304. 1 minus 304, which is 1/4. So that's the answer lah. The C is probability, right? Okay. The number of shirt not sold, okay, 1/4. They want the what? The question, okay, the question here actually should be 1/4 only. I see your textbook that asks for the probability, but the answer given is the number of shirt not sold. Okay, so you can see from the answer there, from the textbook, actually there's a mistake lah. Okay, because we refer to the question is asked to get the probability of the shirt not sold in 1 month. Except the question mentioned, find the number of the shirt not sold in 1 month, then will be 104 times 80. Okay, number of shirt. So you don't follow the textbook. Sometimes the textbook there is a mistake. Maybe you can, if you want to use the answer from the textbook, which is 20 pieces, then you should change the questions, but not probability, but find the number of shirt. Can see the difference? Y minus 1. Rahana. Okay, y is 1 minus the PA. Okay, it's not y minus 1. Remember yesterday we learned the complement event. When just now I also mentioned the relation between the event A and the complement. When you add this one together, it will be equal to 1. Maximum probability is 1. Okay, that is must have may happen or will happen. Okay, if the event not possible to happen, what is the probability? What is the probability that not possible to happen, the event? The answer must be between 0 and 1. 1 is possible happen. 0 is not possible happen, right? So maximum 6 jawapan, 1 sahaja. Okay, Rahana? So untuk to get this one, A prime, 1 minus the PA lah. Actually, this is the formula. Okay, this is formula. So this one, that's why yesterday we learned the complement event. Like get the relations between the event of A and the event of the set prime A. Okay, this is a complement. Hasil tambah kedua-dua akan jadi 1. So this one, if you want to change the number here, so jawapan di sini. Kalau probability, jawapan ini. Okay, so you don't follow the textbook lah, or you change the textbook, the question, the numbers of the shirt not sold in 1 month. Okay, but it's not the probability lah, because you see the answer bottom there, also the number of shirt. Okay, okay, morning Janani, baru join ke? Half an hour only can wake up. Okay, so this example, another questions we do it together. This is actually self-practice. Self-practice. 13.4. Okay, the question 1. So in a crossword competitions, a contestant sent 15 entry forms. The probability that the contestants win is 3 over 25. Determine the total number of entry forms submitted in the competitions. Okay, tell me the questions, what the question want? They want the numbers, the total numbers of the entry form, right? They want NS or NA. You want NA or NS. This is the probability of the contestant win. And this contestant sent 15 entry form. Yes, to get an NS. Okay, so how to get the NS? For this contestant, she sent 15 form, but total of the form, you don't know how many total form that they will receive, right? Okay, but this contestant, the probability to get the win is 3 over 25. So means that this is P what? Okay, the probability of winner, okay, is 3 over 25. Okay, so we have NS, we don't have, right? So what is our NA? What's our NA? Is given in the questions or not? What's the NA? This one, right? 15. Yes, 15. Because this contestant dia hantar borang 15. Okay, kebarangkalian dia bermenang adalah 3/25. Tapi kita tak tahu jumlah berapa borang yang telah diterima oleh pihak penganjur. We do not know the total of the sample space, you don't know. So we have to find out, okay, how much is the NS. So this one we put here lah. We substitute here. So from here, could we then manage to get NS? Try to work it out. Korang kira. Jing Wen sudah bagi jawapan. How about the rest? Agree or not with the answer? Then because I already worked out for you. Okay, this is the working already. We only need to change ni. Pindah sini kanan kan? So either you want to cross multiply, nak darab silang ke, ataupun you nak bawa this one you bring there, so this one bring here. 15 divide 3 over 25 is equal to NS. Kalau siapa yang tak nampak lah. Okay. So NS is equal to 15 times 25 over 3. But you have calculator, you can definitely terus tekan calculator. Yes, the NS is 125. Okay. 25 per 3 darab dengan 15 jempol jawapan. Betul lah. Can understand? So this kind of questions that not necessarily ask you to get the probability. They can ask you to get the number of sample space, or can ask you to get the number of the event. Okay, or can ask you to get the number of the complement event. If let's say this question asks you to find the complement of the event. So you have your 125, also you can get it. Okay, so 3, okay. This is the probability of win. If probability not win, kalau tak menang, what's the answer? If tak menang? Kalau menang 3/25. Kalau tak menang berapa? Sebarang kalian kalau tak menang berapa? Mau respon? Nasrin? Nasrin bagi jawapan. Kalau tak menang berapa? Mana Nasrin pergi? Pak Witra dah bagi. Betul ke? Nasrin ada lagi? 2 over 25. Okay, Shadia? Setuju ke tak? Hanya Pak Witra, Steffi sahaja. Mana how about the rest? Inshira, Shadia? How to get 22 over 25? If you see answer from the chat info messages, Pak Witra and Steffi give the same answer. Because I said this is win, 3 over 25. Tak menang, 1 minus 3 over 25. Okay? I hope the rest can understand how to get the answer. Don't always the same person like Jingwen, Inza, Pavitra, Steffi. Okay? The one to respond. Cikgu bukan mengajak 4-5 orang sahaja. We have one class here. Janani okay Janani. Untuk tak respond Okay? Okay nak Janani? So this is how we get the answer lah. Okay? Number of the sample space. 1, 2, 5. After this, we are going to do the exercise. Because there have few more time, but no more already. Okay? No more, then I will give you like yesterday. I will ask you to do the class cake. 2 questions, then you answer. Then I can help you on the spot. Okay. So show me your thumbs in the chat. Okay, could you understand or could you solving problems involving probability? Yes or no? Okay, show me your thumbs. Okay. Rahana horizontal. Okay, the rest. How about Nasrin? Okay, Inshira, Nuha. Nuha semalam tak masuk kelas. So 50-50 Aliyah still. Jadi ya, Pearly okay ah. Trisan, how about you? Trisan? Okay, horizontal, I need more practice, Nasrin. Now only sincere respond. Just now teacher calling you a few times, so no response. If you don't know, you just say don't know lah. No, no why. No, never mind. Because some of you never entered class yesterday. So tomorrow when I free, I will try to upload lah. Okay, upload the recording for Monday and Tuesday. So you have 5 days holiday. I hopefully of you, those that still need more practice or horizontal, so you can do more practice, or even though it's a school holiday, you are always welcome to message teacher, PM teacher. Okay, I will reply you whenever I'm free. Okay. So important is that you ask lah. Kalau kamu tak tanya soalan, memang cikgu tak tahu kamu faham, kamu tak faham kan? Okay. So apakah kemahiran global? What's the global skill that already developed? Okay, throughout the whole topics for the probability. What do you think the skill that you have to get for this topic probability? Apa yang telah kamu bina, kemahiran global yang telah anda ambil. Just type in the chat. Type dalam ruangan chat saja. Because I don't use PADEC. Because iPad not support the PADEC. Okay, only desktop or computer or laptop. Mana satu kemahiran global yang telah anda bina dalam diri anda? Mana satu? ICT skill ke? Critical thinking and problem solving ke? Collaboration, communication, which one? Choose one. Pilih satu cukup. Then give your reason why do you think that you have that skills into you. Okay? Yes. Okay. Actually more on critical thinking and problem solving lah for probability. Okay? Because you need to think the possible way or the possible outcome if it happen in one of the event. Okay, and you have to identify the number of the sample space when one event happen. Okay, so mesti kamu kena fikir. Lepas tu, dah kena pasti event, ruang sampel, baru kamu boleh menyelesaikan masalah yang melibatkan probability. Right now. Kalau tak, memang kamu susah lah. So ini memang, lepas tu, we have to find using logic thinking also. Sebab possible kan, kejadian ataupun peristiwa yang mungkin berlaku. So communication so can because you communicate when you don't understand, you try to communicate with teacher until you understand it. Okay, right? Okay, thank you. Those that respond, but only can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 respond also the same person Bingwen, Steffi and Pamitra. Okay, yang lain-lain tu nanti balik sekolah semua kena punish. Sebab tak menjawab soalan cikgu masa GDPR. Okay, so attribute. Attribute semua tu ada tak attribute ini semua ni? Communication tu tak ada lah. Unless Steffi, Eugene Wen, Pavitra and Wong. Those that communicate with teacher. Ifra also okay lah sometimes. Okay, those that not respond in the chat, that don't turn on mic, like the communicator lah. Right not? Okay, compassionate lah. Ada tak? If you want all of this, semua ini ada, I believe you must be a good, bukan good lah, you must be excellent in your future. Okay, when you have all this. Kalau semua ni ada, memang kamu akan cemerlang. Kalau ada 1, 2 saja, mungkin kena apa? Kena develop sama lah. Because you are now only form 2. You still have time for you to build up everything. You don't think you this one all you don't have also. So you have to start from now. Okay? You wait. Wait. Okay, good. Pavitra. So, okay, this one only lah. Okay, so this one you take note first. So for your self-practice 13.4, question number 1, I have discussed already with you all. So you have to do all the question now, 1, 2, 3. Ada 3 soalan sahaja, tapi soalan 1 cikgu dah bincang tadi. So supposed to know how to do it. So only 2 questions. Okay, so now we go to class K. Let me share. Which one? Oi, why I don't have here? Maybe I need to refresh. Yes, here. I didn't refresh. Do that maybe. Okay, I share your the link. Okay, do it right now. So if you cannot do, then we straight away you raise up your hand. I can help you right away here. Okay. Two question only. Okay, do it right now. Teacher are waiting here. Okay, manage to enter or not? Boleh masuk? Okay, I can see Iza sudah masuk. Sudah mula buat. Kesha pun sama. Rahana pun sama. Okay, Cheng Wen tu juga masuk dah. Yang lain-lain tu tolong cuba. Jangan tak cuba. Jangan ni. Shadia. Kalau tak boleh buat, you angkat tangan lah. Cikgu boleh terus tunjuk kat slide you. Okay? Okay. Cikgu nak ambil attendance dulu. Tadi ramai yang tak masuk lagi masa cikgu ambil attendance. Andam masih masuk tak masuk lah. Farah today in already. Farah semalam tak ada kan? Masrin juga semalam tak ada. Orang yang tak ada semalam tu nanti cikgu share balik. Recording mohon tengok. Insyirah okey ke? Semalam you ada kan? So hari ni boleh ikut sebab tak respon juga. Tania also sama. So far okey. Hana okey ke? Okey ya. Rahana macam mana Rahana? Dah okey? Sabin ada tak? Sabin hari ni tak ada. Mungkin tak sihat lagi. Oh, the boys except Akid Patricia tadi masuk kan macam Patricia. I saw just now a while right. Now no more here. Drop out the line already. Okay, try to do it now. Okay. How about the rest? I cannot see the rest to join in like this one who Lara. I don't see you join in the cascade. Pearly 不明白. Raise up your hand lah. What 不明白? Okay. Rub your 不明白. I show you now. Okay. Box is containing 90 yellow balls and 60 green ball. Keywords. 发现. Okay. Okay. A ball is chosen at random from the box. They want the green one. Still remember not the formula to get a probability. NA over NS, right? Okay, so the A is what? The event is getting a green ball. So how many green ball there? Soccer. How many green balls? Then total how many balls? Hello? So total how many? Total all the balls in the box. Yes, 150. So 60 over 150 no? Then give your answer in the simplest form. That's your calculator. Okay, Polly? I already helped you for the A. So B same, exactly the same. We need to change the color of the ball. 可以吗 Polly?
可以。
可以 continue. Okay. 水上 okay? Okay, Lara okay not, Lara? Okay, so continue Okay. Okay, Rahana done already, the first part. Is it correct the one? 205. Teacher punya calculator mana? Must be, when you use a calculator, you must get the simplest form Okay, takkan tak dapat. Okay. So siapa lagi? Why still the same person only orang lain macam mana? Yang tak boleh masuk ke macam mana? Ke sudah tertidur? Akid also, Akid. Where are you, Akid? Okay, boleh masuk kelas sikit tak Akid? Tak nampak Akid punya jawapan here. Okay, Nusi Rahana. Izzat Ifra, okay. Shadia dengan Insyirah macam mana? Janani not manage to join or what? Can respond or not? Dania? Kenapa tak ada nama anda kat sini? Tekan link yang cikgu bagi tu. Okay? Apps Classcade tu. Kalau tekan link tu, kamu boleh terus. Masa kamu login tu, kamu tekan Google anda sajalah. Login via Google. Okay, boleh ke? Rahana, finish already question 1, ah? Okay, you finish, then you can raise all your hand, then I can mark straight away for you. Okay? Betul ke? 90 over 550. Okay, betul lah. So, dapatlah 4 markah. Okay, then you proceed for the second question, ah. Okay, Jingwen also first one. Okay. Okay. Yes, can do in this way also, like Jingwen also can. Okay, good. There's many possible way to do. Okay. Want to come out the marks, ah. Okay, Kewa, so I mark for you already. Pearly, you can type right. You use your hand to write, ah. You use your finger to write. Use your hand. You use handphone or use tablet.
我太懒得 type 了。
Ha, type also lazy. Aduh, apalah. You don't tell me that you now in the class you are lying down, ah. 睡在那边上课啊，不是坐在那边上课啊。
我坐着
Okay,
上
this is
课。
soup. 坐着啊，Iza. Okay, good, Iza. Okay, those already have marked already. Then you can proceed for the next questions. Okay, well done, Ifra. Okay, now you can understand, right? Yesterday you said you're still horizontal, right? Today is it better for you, Ifra? Yes or no, Ifra? Ada yang memahami ke macam mana? Semalam you masih ada lagi horizontal kan? Okay, good. Okay, lagi. Alia, how about you? Alia, total how many balls? Jumlah ada berapa bola dalam kotak itu? You see the words here. A balls contain 90 yellow balls and 60 green balls. So total how many balls in the box? Ruang sampel ada berapa? Alia.
Teacher,
Yes. You
I
WhatsApp
have
me, ah?
an answer.
You WhatsApp me, right? Okay, wait. Happy also send me that, okay? Okay, yes, Alia, 150, right, total. So the 60 over 150 is not 60 over 90. Sebab jumlah, okay, ruang sampel. Jumlah bola dalam kotak tersebut. All the balls in the box, okay? Yeah.
老师，我想问第二题跟第一题是不同的还是
You mean the B or what? 还是第二题？
第二题？
Second question, ah. The second question is very easy only. Okay, when a match, badminton match, when you play badminton, what's the possible to be win the match? When you're in the competition, badminton.
你讲多少分啊？
No, 你打球赛一定是赢跟输不了嘛，对不对？So two possible only lah. Either you win or you lose only, right or not?
Oh.
But if football game, there's football game different. If football game, there will be seri. Okay, means the same goal, right? It means that two goal same lah. Tak ada menang, tak ada kalah. Okay, so for badminton, definitely if you same marks also you have to service, you have to do the service again, right? Okay, tambah lagi kan. So that's the difference lah. So only win or lose. Oh yeah, Palita, I will check the answer already. Yes, okay, win or lose only. Good. What happened with my phone? Hang already. My WhatsApp. Okay, then I have to restart my phone. I cannot mark. You know what happened? I can see. Let me restart my phone first. Hold on, Steffi and this Pavitra. I try to restart my phone, see, because I cannot mark. Okay, the rest, I check here first. I think Pavitra, what I go through already, your answer is correct. Only I cannot mark yet. Tapi I tak sempat nak tengok lagi. Okay, this one, who's one? Iza, yes. Okay, 102. So, okay, what 102? Because either win or lose only. Okay, menang ataupun kalah sahaja. So, hanya 102 lah. Kalau menang, 1/2. Kalah pun 1/2. Okay, for the question number 2. Simple, right? Senang saja. So, ini siapa punya Kesha? Okay, good. Kesha. Number 2 not yet, Kesha. Who else raise your hand? Okay, then Leah, this one is what? Ini bahagian A, bahagian B. Ini bahagian A kan? Ini bahagian B. Okay, Alia. Okay, Rahana, yes. Okay, answer is 102. Okay, cikgu dah tadi dah terangkan. Menang atau kalah saja, Rahana. So, tak payah question mark dah. I'm confident with that. Okay, wow, so good. Okay, yes. Okay, Jimun, also good. Who else? Angkat tangan. Okay, this one Choi-san one. Okay, good. Okay, those that not respond here, not WhatsApp me. So when are you going to show me your answer? Join in class but not respond, no doing anything. No point. Okay. Ask Kathy and Pavitra later. I will check. Is that correct? Those that already respond boleh faham ke? Okay. Apa ni? Inshira, Shadia, Akid, semua tak ada respon. Macam mana? Lara? Yes, Shadia, macam mana? Sampai sekarang tak dapat masuk ke macam mana? Tak ada jawapan you? Okay, ni berkena Nasrin, have to root. Okay, because they say what? Find the topic that win, win. Okay, win. You cannot start suddenly put 102 only. Okay, you have to state what is the answer for the 102. Tolak satu markah. Because the answer is not complete. Oh, why sudah jadi negatif 1. Sorry. Okay. Apa lagi? Kali pun sama. Don't put 102 ni. Probability of win. Ni, this one. Jangan put suddenly 102. Ni makan potong juga. Coven. No follow instruction. Okay, who else? Here. Yeah. Yes, Adia, what happened? You ask teacher. Then I ask you what happened. You don't respond me. Or you send me to WhatsApp already. Okay. Steffi also correct lah your answer. Okay, Pavitra also correct. Shadia. You can't open your the link. Okay, if cannot, then you can see my screen, right? Shadia, you just answer the screenshot, then you just send to me to WhatsApp. Hantar cikgu melalui WhatsApp pun boleh. Cikgu sudah katakan siapa yang tak boleh masuk link, you buat dalam buku latihan seperti apa ni? Steffi, Pavitra pun sama, dia buat dalam kertas saja. Lepas tu di WhatsApp kepada saya. Tak ada masalah. Yang pentingnya cikgu nak nampak jawapan anda ataupun respon anda semua. Okay girls, Shadia. Insyirah pun sama. Insyirah pun tak nampak. Okay, Dania pun tak ada. Okay, yang ni semua yang ada kat kelas ni semua dah jawab. Okay, bagus. Okay, ni siapa punya? Ifra, yes. Okay, good. Okay, Dania semua yang dah berjaya nak jawab. So, latihan adalah cikgu dah bagi tahu kan just now. What's the exercise? Ni siapa? Insyirah. Okay, Insyirah baru masuk, baru jawab soalan 1. Okay, lagi. Sampai lagi nak jawab. Baru nampak Insyirah punya. Dania mana Dania? Dania kat mana? Lara kat mana? Lara pun sentiasa sama je. Tak ada hantar kerja. Okay. Akid pun sama. Masuk kelas tapi senyap je. Cikgu tak tahu ada wujud ke tak wujud ni. Faham tak faham pun tak respon. Okay, ini Pavitra punya cikgu dah bagi ni ya. Okay, so cikgu rasa itu sahaja untuk kelas hari ini. Okay, kita akan jumpa minggu depan. Okay, siapa yang tak sempat nak siap, cikgu akan, link ini sudah ada kan? Kamu terus saja buat. Nanti cikgu akan share dalam WhatsApp juga. Okay, bagi siapa yang tak masuk kelas, I hope they all can do lah. Okay, Alia go edit kan Adi. Okay, sudah betul Alia. Alia dah lebih faham tu macam mana? Is it confident to answer or better? Yang dah sini cikgu semua dah tanda dah kat kelas tu. Okay? So itu sahaja untuk kelas hari ini. Sebelum tu, cikgu nak ucapkan selamat menyambut Deepawali. Okay, bagi yang menyambut lah. Okay, Janani, Teva, okay, Pavitra. And the rest, happy holiday. And don't forget to finish up all your exercise. Okay, any questions? Ada lagi soalan nak tanya? Sebelum kita tamatkan kelas ni. Okay, dia lebih faham. Okay, bagus. Insyirah macam mana? Insyirah, Syadiya, Dania, Nuha, semua ni yang tak respon tu. Okay. Ada sempat 5 hari cuti ni, tengok balik recording, nanti cikgu share balik. Okay, yang tak faham tu tengok balik, nanti tanya PM Cikgu ke, tanya dalam group pun boleh. Okay, group cikgu sentiasa cikgu share saja, tapi tak ada orang yang tanya soalan tu. Macam semua mahir saja atau semua pandai je. Okay So happy holiday and happy Deepawali. Bye-bye. Okay, stay safe. Siapa yang pergi melancong, pergi jalan-jalan tu, make sure stay safe. Next week coming back to school. No. This Thursday you are going for the jab, right? For the vaccine, right? So take good rest. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye, 老师。
Bye-bye, Polly.